This year, we are celebrating our 25th anniversary as a special administrative region of the People's Republic of China. We are also marking the 25th anniversary of the successful implementation of the one country, two systems principle. It is this governing principle that reinforces our deepening ties with our motherland and the 10 member states of ASEAN, our long-standing business partners and friends. It's one country, two systems that has strengthened and will continue to strengthen our connectivity with the mainland, with ASEAN, with the world at large. One country, two systems will power our future. As President Xi Jinping said, speaking here in Hong Kong on July the 1st, and I quote, "One country, two systems has been tested repeatedly in practice. It serves the fundamental interests of not only Hong Kong and Macau, but also the whole country." Yes, Hong Kong plays a significant role in the development of the mainland of China. The National 14th Five-Year Plan supports Hong Kong as an international or regional center in no less than 8 sectors. And Hong Kong is important to such national strategies as the Belt and Road Initiative and the Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau Greater Bay Area. Hong Kong, after all, has the experience and connections to help mainland companies and capital go out to the world while attracting global enterprises and capital to the mainland.